This is what little Missy is doing nowadays. Picking herself up and standing because she thinks she's a big girl. Right? Francesca. When she laughs, she snorts. You're funny. You don't need to be standing up yet. Is the baby tired? Huh? Francesca, call Kiki. Can you whistle? Whistle. You see the puppy? Are you calling the puppy? Francesca, can you whistle? Yay! You're gonna fall on your hiney. Look at mommy. Can you whistle? You're just too worried about the dog, aren't you? Hmm? She's going night-night. You can't walk yet. Look at mommy. Oh God, she's gonna fall. No snort. You snort like mommy when you laugh. Hmm? Can you whistle? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, say bye-bye. Show them how you say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Francesca, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yay. Big girl. Now whistle. You better stop standing up on things. Mommy wants you to be a baby. Yes. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow kisses. Mwah. Blow kisses. Aw. Aw. Bye-bye.